Winter operations are officially in full swing here at JFK. With a major blizzard moving through the Northeast, the airport has turned into a massive ice management operation. Visibility is low and the stakes are high. The storm has already forced over 900 flight cancellations today across New York's major hubs. Airlines are scrambling to rebook passengers, but on the airfield, the battle is all about keeping the runways clear and safe for the traffic that remains. One of the coolest pieces of tech in use right now is the industrial snow melter. Instead of just piling snow on the grass where it can freeze into dangerous drifts, JFK uses these hot tubs on wheels. They use massive 12 million BTU burners to flash melt hundreds of tons of snow per hour, turning it straight into water and sending it down the drain. It's a brutal day for travel, but a fascinating look at the engineering that keeps New York moving.
American Airlines, you are why we fly.
We're time-lapsing our pushback from Terminal 8 to get us straight to the action. Without the engines running, we're completely dependent on the ground tug to navigate these slick taxiways. In a blizzard, JFK Ground has to sequence us perfectly so we don't lose our slot for the de-icing cruise. As we reach the pad, the tug will disconnect and the ground lead will signal the de-icing teams to move in. Because we're doing this engines off, it allows the trucks to get much closer to the airframe for a more thorough application. What you're seeing now is the application of Type 1 de-icing fluid. It's typically heated to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit and sprayed at high pressure. Its main job isn't to prevent future ice, but to act as a cleaner, melting away any existing frost, snow, or ice that's accumulated on the wings and tail during the gate hold. This fluid is a glycol water mixture, and that distinct orange or brown tint is actually a safety requirement. It helps the ground crew and pilots visually confirm that every square inch of the critical lifting surfaces has been covered. At this stage, the wings are clean, but in a blizzard like this, they wouldn't stay that way for long. Now comes the Type 4 anti-icing fluid. Notice the color shift to green and the thicker, almost snot-like consistency. Unlike the first spray, this isn't heated. It's a thickened gel designed to stick to the wing and act as a barrier. It absorbs falling snow and prevents it from freezing to the metal. We've been cleared for departure on 31L. The pilots have confirmed the wings are clear, and the A321T is ready to find some clear air above the clouds.